Okay, so when you're putting the battery on, sometimes there you need to use some pressure at the rear back of the radio battery. Okay, if you notice there are two little holes here, and that seats right in these little, I guess, posts. Okay, so when you slide it in, if you notice, if I just push it in, it's not going to work. You have to push down here, so the feet, see that? See that? And then it'll go right in there. And that's it. Okay? So don't force the battery in when you're doing this. Okay? Because if you force it in, it's not going to work. Because it's not seated. See that? I'm going to push forward. It's not going to work. So you got to push down the back. You got to push down the back here. See that? Push down the back. And then it'll seat right in. And it'll have a perfect seal. Okay, so just be careful. Don't push too hard.